5 best crypto for October. Be ready to go to the moon. If you are looking for altcoins to understand their potential or even invest in, then you've come to the right video. We've selected the best options for you to get high returns both in October and over the coming months. Some coins are very cheap and still have a low market cap, so the more their demand increases, the more you can earn in the future. By the way, you should look closely at the fifth coin's performance. Famous artists are investing and believing in its success. Stay until the end of the video to understand a little more about it. First of all, remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications, and hit the like button. Also, check our links in the description with awesome bonuses for investing, buying, and selling cryptocurrencies. Let's get to our list today. Number 1. Chainlink. Chainlink deserves to be in our list today because its ecosystem has been growing over the past month. The main reason for that is the most recent partnership with Ethereum. Earlier in September, Optimism Ethereum announced that it had integrated Chainlink's decentralized Oracle solutions to its Ethereum Layer 2 services. As a result, Link, the native token in the Chainlink network, rose by 36% on the prospects of seeing higher interim demand from Chainlink users. As Cointelegraph reported, the same fundamentals previously assisted Link investors in getting a 540% profit in 2020. Actually, there is also an increasing demand for Link due to the booming of DeFi in its ecosystem. Since August, over 76 new projects have formed a partnership with Chainlink. That's why spot traders appear ambitious to stir the price growth until Link retests the previous all-time high of $52. We aren't sure if this can really happen, but we just want to point out that Chainlink's price predictions look bullish for October. And if the market is already paying attention to it, then we should too. Number 2. Polkadot. Now let's talk about DOT. Some people in the crypto market believe that Polkadot is en route to a new all-time high, betting its last record of $49.80. Polkadot's project breaks transactions up into many shards and processes them in parallel, similar to what ETH 2.0 aims to achieve. Its entire ecosystem of parachains plug into a single base platform known as the relay chain. This base layer provides security to the network and handles the consensus, finality, and voting logic between transactions. It is really impressive how the project works, and there are two main reasons why the market has a bullish outlook about DOT this month. The first one is Polkadot's integration to DeFi. Subquery, a decentralized data aggregator, is a good example. It raised $9 million to build Polkadot's first data aggregation layer. The latest update came from D-Trade, a decentralized exchange that successfully raised a $22.8 million market-making fund designed to provide deep liquidity, being backed by some of crypto's most prominent market makers. The second reason is suggested by the analytics. Derivatives data shows potential for a fresh all-time high of DOT. DOT's total futures open interest grew from 360 million to 685 million in 30 days, a positive indicator that reflects the willingness of leveraged traders to keep their long positions open despite the rally. So these market movements can skyrocket the price of DOT very soon. Number 3. Elrond. Elrond, a scalable and secure blockchain platform designed for distributed apps and enterprise-level businesses, has performed very well during the last month, and we should keep our eyes on it since there are promising reasons for such enthusiasm around the network. EGLD's price increase results from the launch of the Mayar exchange, a DeFi protocol built on the Elrond network that allows users to trade and provide liquidity in various pools. Now US citizens are able to purchase EGLD tokens directly through the Mayar app, thanks to integration with MoonPay, on the way to more demand for the cryptocurrency. Another reason for the recent strength seen in EGLD was its listing on the KuCoin exchange, the fifth largest exchange by 24-hour trading volume. Its 24-hour trading volume increased from a daily average of 83 million to 740 million in earlier September. A third factor backing Elrond's growth is its ecosystem. Recent partnerships included adding AI-generated media content through a partnership with Humans, a platform integrating data and technology. The network has also partnered with companies focused on gaming, DeFi, and cross-chain transfers between Ethereum, Polkadot, and the Binance Smart Chain. So it all means that the market conditions for EGLD will keep favorable in the long term, as it has been doing this past month. Number 4. Avalanche. AVAX's price soared to a record high in the last month, and we have some facts which support a bullish outlook from the market. The project has risen to challenge the Ethereum network's dominance among smart contract platforms. According to the project's website, the Layer 1 protocol is capable of surpassing 4,500 transactions per second, with a time to finality of less than 2 seconds. The latest news news is about the announcement that a handful of large funds, including Polychain Capital, Three Arrows Capital, and Dragonfly Capital, took part in a $230 million funding round for the project. This indicates that larger institutional players are starting to take a keen interest in this Ethereum competitor. Another reason AVAX can have a bullish price increase this month is the continual migration of assets from networks like Ethereum to Avalanche to participate in its growing decentralized finance ecosystem. The total value locked on Avalanche has been climbing rapidly since August 19th and reached a new record high of $2.17 billion in September. Avalanche has also formed some partnerships and made some announcements that have excited investors. The partnership with the sports card and memorabilia company Topps launched its Inception NFT digital collectibles series on the network. There is also a vote underway in the Aave community to see if investors want to see Aave launch on the Avalanche network. Aave is a decentralized lending system that allows users to lend, borrow, and earn interest on crypto assets that now runs only on the Ethereum blockchain. A vote of approval could lead to a further increase in total value locked on Avalanche, and assets held in Aave on Ethereum have the potential to be migrated to Aave on Avalanche. Number 5. Audius. The Audius platform came to news due to a partnership with TikTok. As a decentralized music blockchain, and with the aim to empower musicians around the world, Audius allows artists and their community to connect themselves on its network. The money raised by artists, musicians, and content creators goes to themselves rather than big streaming platforms, such as Spotify, iTunes, and SoundCloud. The price of Audio token had an incredible increase during August and earlier September, and now it has more reasons to keep skyrocketing. Popular musicians including Katy Perry, Nas, and others have officially come on board via a new investment round. Audius announced a star-studded $5 million round headlined by a number of prominent musicians, with Steve Aoki, Linkin Park's Mike Shinoda, Jason Derulo, Disclosure, The Chainsmokers, and Pusha T. Rapper Nas is really excited about this investment. He said, and I quote, "I've known that blockchain will change the world since I invested in Coinbase 5 years ago, and I believe it might be the most important technology to ever hit the music industry." He also added that everyone who uploads to Audius can be an owner, and we can't say that about any other platform. So let's see how these investments can affect the price of audio over the next few days. That's why Audius must be on our radar in October. That's all for today, guys. Remember that this video is for information only, so don't invest before doing your own research about those assets. Now tell me, do you have one of these coins in your wallet already? What returns are you expecting from them? Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, turn on post notifications, and hit the like button if you have enjoyed this video. It will help us out a lot. And to help you out too, check our links in the description and enjoy our bonuses to invest, trade, or sell your cryptos with the best market conditions. I'll see you in the next video.